Hi, my name is Micah Donnelly, and today I'll be talking about Tar Beach by Faith Ringgold. I just wanted to apologize for the screencast due to the fact of COVID-19, and I was unable to get a study room or any type of classroom in order to do this presentation. So a little bit of background on Faith. She had 3 siblings growing up. She had many challenges in life when it came to wanting to post her artwork or even be some type of teacher in the art field. She was turned down by museum after museum, and their excuse to her was that she was an African American and that she was a woman. Not many women get to post their artwork in any type of museum or basically anywhere social gatherings are. And with that, she decided to act on women's rights. And by doing that, she protested with little eggs and had them say 50% on them. And what she would do is she would walk around and show these and say, this egg is 50%. 50% women, 50% men, 50% African American, 50% white. Basically, she was trying to show a point of equality. Nobody knew exactly what was inside the egg. All they knew is that whatever it was inside was 50%. It was going to be equal to society. Now, a little bit of background on her. She was born on October 8th, 1930. She was raised in Harlem, New York during the Great Depression by the Yankee Stadium. She wanted a career in art, and down the road she was finally able to get that. So to describe what kind of artist she was, she basically did everything. When it came to little art projects to humongous art projects, it didn't matter. She was on top of it and she did all of it. And she's an amazing woman for that. So she's an all-around artist. She did regular paintings, writings, mixed media, sculpturing, and performance art, but she was mostly famous for her quilts that she made, and that was stated by Faith, 2011. Bringing her up to college area, she proceeded to attend the City College of New York, and she received her BS in 1955 and her MA in 1959. So since the time that she was in college and she got her degree and everything, there's always been that one person that has standing next to her and supported her throughout all of this, whether it be from the movements to finding places to post her artwork, anything like that. There was always one friend that was always beside her, and she went to the exact same college, and she has made her basically a help since that day to present day. So after college, ever since 1985, she has been the professor of art at the University of California in San Diego, Faith 2011, and she taught there until 2002. Now, unfortunately, Screencast does not allow sound on the computer, only with me, so I am unable to show you the YouTube video that ties in the Tar Beach aspect, but what I will show you is that this picture, in my words, are going to be described the way she did in the video. So basically what this quilt shows is her and a cousin laying on a mattress on a tar roof with family and food to the side, everything like that. And if you notice, there is a bridge in the background. She loves bridges. And there's a person in the sky. Now, bringing it back, the reason of the person in the sky was to represent her and her dreams and how she flies to her dreams and that she wants to do whatever she wants to do. And I know she wasn't able to do that growing up due to her color and basically being a woman. It is very hard it was very hard back then to get any type of job or anything like that when it came to being a female or a male. Males were more easily able to get a job than females were because they were mostly known as housewives. So, putting it all together, all the little mini quilts around showed her favorite ones. She loved flowers, as you can tell around the entire quilt that it is mostly expressed by flowers and color, uniqueness, shape, everything. So basically what she used on her canvases were acrylic. So acrylic paint is water-based, fast-drying paint widely used by artists since the 1960s. It can be used thickly or thinly depending on how much water is added to it. Tate 2010. This was mostly used by her. She never really used anything else, but especially with quilts, this is what she used. So in conclusion, when Faith was younger, she would draw with her crayons, and her father bought Faith an easel with paint, and that was stated in the YouTube video. However, I was not able to show you that. But with that, it made her love for art grow, and she was able to show her potential to her parents, and she was able to be unique in a way that was in her drawings. And she continued to do it and use that art to express herself throughout her life. She was turned down by museums, but her passion towards what she loved to do is why she never truly gave up. She wanted to let her voice be heard and show the world what she was working so hard for. These are my references, and that's it. Thank you.